Okay, I think I got it. So I'm gonna put all this back together. I think those are okay. This is the overhead valves. So, let's see, the gasket looks good. I'm just reusing stuff here. I don't even know. I sure hope this works, or else then I'm gonna have to take the head off. Could be I need to clean the valves themselves. I didn't, because this thing is fairly new and I couldn't see that it was used so much that it has so much carbon buildup on the valves. So I don't feel it necessary to really take the head off. Just do a valve adjustment first and go from there, because it's actually not that hard to take this thing apart. Get that stuff down. I mean, literally minutes. Boom, got it all done. Or taken apart. So let's grab some these bolts. Awesome. Dropping. All right. Jeez. I'm a sack of hammers today. All right. It's hard looking through the screen on the camera and then trying to find the bolt hole. Way off. And I'm using, these are 10mm screws. So, come on, start threading. This is the boring part. It's super fun watching somebody just screw down a nut or a bolt. And I have an extension for this. This is the Craftsman, one of the Craftsman's, where is it? Craftsman series wrenches. They're the ones you can see straight through. Pretty nice, but the extension for this one, you can't, it won't fit on. It like binds and you can't even get it out. You almost need vice grips to pry them apart, so obviously something's wrong with it. Could take it to Sears from what I understand, and they should be able to replace it. I don't know. But they're pretty nice wrenches. That is the wrench set. It's pretty nice. I'm like sitting down somewhere, so it's hard to get over it right now, but this is like the sock, how it fits together. They're pretty nice, but this little one's the one with the issue. Anyway. I am not a very good videographer, that's for sure. I want to try to at least get these as even as possible. I look at the camera, I'm not even videoing the spot. All right, so I'm gonna get back to you. I gotta put spark plug in, get the top back on, and see if that works, because it had 0 compression before. So if this works, I'm stoked, because I got this thing for 20 bucks. I thought it was a carb deal, so I took that carb apart, cleaned it out. It wasn't actually that dirty at all. So, but I still sprayed it with carb cleaner, made sure I didn't hit any gaskets or plastic stuff with the carb cleaner, because it will ruin gaskets. So cleaned out all the ports inside there, all the fuel passages, put it on, and it still wouldn't start. I got one it popped once, boom, you know, exploded once in there on the piston, very weakly, and then not again. So I know it's getting fuel in there. It's not bad though, pretty dirty, but the thing's practically brand new. All right, so I'm gonna put the stuff together, then I'll come back with trying to start it, and you'll see if I fail or not.